Need to see the exact or closest position of a value in a row? Use the match function to find it. Choose a cell outside your data to put your formula in. Under Formulas, select Lookup and Reference, Match. There are 3 fields to fill. Lookup value is the value you want to find. This is usually text or a number. Lookup array is the range of cells or values you want to search in. Match type is how Excel matches lookup value with what's specified in lookup array. This field is optional, but it can only be 3 values. 1 finds the largest value that's less than or equal to lookup value. 0 shows the first value equal to lookup value. Or -1, which finds the smallest value greater than or equal to lookup value. Add your search values and select OK. You can also find the relative position of a number. For example, one that's closest to 60. Sort your data in the order you want. And then create a new formula and adjust the match type. And you get the closest value. You got it!